Okay, same time, same capacity, $80,000.
Listed ground sex.
Sex, based on sex. Oh, my name is Vishali. You are giving me $80,000. This guy, he's taking $100,000. I'm gonna take you into the court against. There was a serious violation of Charter of Rights. No problem, police department. I'm gonna take you into the court. First question, whether charter applied to the police department. Rule, cut, copy, paste. These are application, no issue, no issue. At the end, police department is bound by the charter through. Oh no, police is right here. Eh? Yeah, clearly listed ground. Then go into section 15, whether listed ground or analogous ground. Listed ground. Then sufficient important objective, rational connection, minimum impairment, proportionality effect. Matter is over. Whole Canadian Charter of Rights is done. I have a turban. No one cannot. No. Okay. For example, I'm Sikh. I have a turban. I have a turban. You know what? Turban people are not allowed. Sorry to say, turban people are not allowed. What right is going to be infringed? Okay. In my class, you are in my class. You are in my class. You know, you are not allowed to speak if you are a student of university. University policy is you cannot, you are not allowed to speak against the policy of the Douglas College. What right is going to? If you're gonna speak, expression. If you're gonna use your expression, you will be expelled from the university. Now you are expelled from the university because you were using your Charter of Rights to be. You were very upset, expelled from the university, came to your office, you are constitutional lawyer. First question, whether charter apply to the university. Rule, cut, copy, paste. Application, if no issue, at the end, through private body. How is gonna work out? Anyway, so guys, just we'll be back exact 9 o'clock after 10 minutes. Thank you very much. After 10 o'clock, after 10 minutes.
But no. I started practice in 2014. So you were working there? My initial year I was assistant to Mr. Atul, senior advocate. Yeah, his daughter was also. Yes, daughter and his son were also. That time his daughter was daughter's sister. Yeah, his daughter.
He will be giving some sister, right?
When did you come to Canada?
2010.
But I moved out of India in 2004. I used to work with the, I don't know whether you heard the name Justice Virendra Singh. Virendra Singh, I heard that. Yeah. So,
What's your name? Mine is Vaishnavi.
Justice Baby. Justice Baby.
You guys are learning something.
Justice Virendra.
Seriously? Learning?
Justice Virendra Singh's junior.
Oh, my friend, are you learning something?
Yeah, it's a pretty good class.
Huh?
Yes, very interesting.
Very interesting.
Yeah. So we're gonna solve right now. You know what? I always run after my students, honestly. In a real, even you are not my student. Again, if you are not my student, just give me a one call. You just call 2 o'clock midnight. Just call and hang up the phone. Then you'll be upset. Why he's keep calling me? Why? This lady, she raised me one question, section 7. If you're gonna call me like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it means you are not in the same. I'm gonna run after you. Why did you think section 7? Why, in what point did you realize section 7? You understand? I always run after my student. Doesn't matter you are my student or you are not my student. I always run after my students. The way you're gonna ask the question, I can realize, oh, after 1 month, he's picking up he's raising this kind of question. It means he is absolutely not ready. If you are not ready, if you are fail, you are not fail, I am fail. That's why I always call my student. If you are fail, I'll give you free tutoring. Number 1. Number 2, I'll give you one-to-one tutoring. Because it's what I am fail, you are not fail. If anyone is fail, for example, if you're going to retain my services, right? If you're going to retain my services and in January, if you are not ready for January exam, okay, I'm going to charge at once. I'm going to charge at once. Okay. If you will defer the exam, you can sit down free of charge in my next class. Number one. Number two, Monday to Friday, doesn't matter you are my student, you are not my student, but I'm not, if you are not my student, then I will not give you my notes. These are oral contract between my students who are gonna retain my services because I made my only 7 pages, 8 pages, whole charter of rights is done. Okay. Monday to Friday, just one telephone call away, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll help you out. Number three, if anyone is fail, I'll give you free tutor. Until you are passed, I'm not gonna charge even a 1 penny until you are passed. These are all my concept should be very strong. Everything, in my back home, booty, cheating. In Canada, with the cheating, if you are not passed, there was a serious issue. At least in my back home, I always used to cheat in my back home. Cheating. Oh, what's the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Oh, my friend, in Canada, you are lucky. Cheating is right here. Only 10 pages, write your exam. Honestly, that's why I made my own IREX. Just think about it. 2B, only 1 page. Section 7, 1 page. Section 15, 2 page. Okay. 2A, 1 page. I think this is 1 page. Okay. And section 32, 1 page. Or section, all pages. All together, how much page? Or just 1 second. Section 32, 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages, section 32. Okay, 2A, 1 page. 2B, 1 page. Section 7, 1 page. No, section 7, 2 page. Okay. And section 15, 2 pages. 1 page or this 1 page. Section 15. Okay. Section 15. Okay. And 2 page for oak test. Altogether 8 pages. 8 pages. And last time result was 59 out of 60 people are passed. They did not buy any book. If they bought a book, they didn't even read the book. They did not even read the book. Because I always I always give you example from the Peter Hawk book. All our cases. What happened in Children Aid Society, I told you. I just told you Muslim women, there was an NCA exam question, Muslim women. So we're gonna solve, but only or division of power, only division of power, these pages. Fifth and substance, criminal trade, POG, I think, I don't know how, 1, 2, 3, whatever, 12 pages. Altogether 20 pages, Charter of Rights or division of power, that's it. That's it. Charter of Rights and division of power, minimum 70, maximum 85. Hey, computer guys, do you have any question? Do you have any question?
So basically, sir, I just had a question
No, sir,
regarding private body.
I have a question.
So,
She had one question. We all people gonna answer of her question. We all people.
Sure.
My friend, you have to answer, right?
Okay.
You have to answer. Okay, yes, please.
It's an easy question. It's not difficult. I'm just wondering, when we start answering each individual question, we have to deal with all the rooms. So when we hop into room 1, we're looking at the list under section 32, which is the federal government, municipal government, provincial government. When do we focus on section 7?
Section 7. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
So now I have posted one exam question. Okay, section 7. Okay, it's very good. I have posted one question. Can you read? What's your name?
My name is Funto.
Okay, I have posted, I think, one question for, can you open that